In this podcast episode featuring Pieter, a self-taught developer and entrepreneur, the conversation delves into various topics, including artificial intelligence and its applications, the digital nomad lifestyle, the intricacies of building and launching startups, and the importance of automation in business. Levels discusses his journey into the world of AI, particularly through the lens of his projects like Photo AI and Interior AI. He explains that Stable Diffusion, a generative image model, initially struggled with producing photorealistic images, especially faces. However, he discovered that fine-tuning models trained on specific datasets, including adult content, could yield better results. He emphasizes the importance of prompting the model correctly to avoid generating inappropriate content, which is crucial for maintaining a safe and acceptable user experience. Levels highlights the rapid advancements in AI technology and how he leverages platforms like Replicate to run machine learning models efficiently. He notes that the ability to generate high-quality images and avatars has opened up new avenues for creativity and business, allowing users to create personalized content without the need for professional photographers. The conversation touches on the digital nomad lifestyle, which Levels has embraced throughout his career. He recounts his experiences traveling to various countries while working remotely, emphasizing the freedom and flexibility that come with this lifestyle. He describes how he initially sought out fast internet and affordable living conditions, leading him to discover cities like Chiang Mai in Thailand. He reflects on the sense of community among digital nomads and the importance of connecting with like-minded individuals. Levels believes that traveling and immersing oneself in different cultures can lead to personal growth and a broader understanding of the world. He encourages young people to explore this lifestyle, suggesting that it can provide valuable experiences and insights that traditional education may not offer. Levels shares his philosophy on building and launching startups, which is characterized by a scrappy, rapid approach. He explains that unlike many entrepreneurs who seek venture capital funding and hire teams, he prefers to work independently, designing and developing his projects. He emphasizes the importance of validating ideas quickly by launching prototypes and gauging user interest. Levels recounts his experience with the 12 Startups in 12 Months challenge, where he built and launched various projects to test their viability. He highlights the iterative nature of startup development, where failure is common, but each attempt provides valuable lessons. He believes that the key to success lies in the ability to pivot and adapt based on user feedback and market demand. Automation is a recurring theme in Levels' approach to business. He discusses how he automates various aspects of his projects to minimize manual work and maximize efficiency. For instance, he uses cron jobs to run scripts that check the health of his websites and alert him to any issues. He emphasizes the importance of automating repetitive tasks, allowing him to focus on more critical aspects of his projects. He also mentions the use of AI tools to streamline processes, such as using GPT-4 to filter user-generated content for appropriateness. By automating these functions, he can maintain a lean operation without the need for extensive staff or resources. The podcast delves into the concept of minimalism and decluttering, which Levels has embraced in his life. He recounts his journey of getting rid of material possessions, inspired by the 100 Things Challenge, where individuals aim to reduce their belongings to a minimal number. Levels shares how this process allowed him to focus on what truly matters and experience a sense of freedom. He believes that living with fewer possessions can lead to a more fulfilling life, as it encourages individuals to prioritize experiences and relationships over material goods. He encourages others to consider the benefits of minimalism, suggesting that it can lead to greater clarity and purpose. Levels emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-education throughout his career. He shares his experiences with various programming languages and tools, highlighting the need to adapt and grow in a rapidly changing technological landscape. He advocates for a hands-on approach to learning, encouraging individuals to build projects and experiment with new technologies. He believes that the best way to learn is through practice and iteration, rather than solely relying on formal education. Levels also discusses the role of online communities and resources in facilitating self-education, noting that platforms like Twitter and GitHub provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing. The conversation touches on the significance of community and networking in the digital nomad lifestyle and entrepreneurship. Levels shares how he has built connections with other digital nomads and entrepreneurs through meetups and online platforms. He emphasizes the value of surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals and aspirations. He believes that these connections can lead to collaboration, support, and inspiration, ultimately contributing to personal and professional growth. He encourages others to actively seek out communities that align with their interests and passions, as these relationships can be instrumental in achieving success. Levels also discusses the challenges associated with remote work, particularly the potential for isolation and disconnection. He acknowledges that while the digital nomad lifestyle offers freedom, it can also lead to feelings of loneliness and detachment from traditional social structures. He emphasizes the importance of finding ways to connect with others, whether through online communities or in-person meetups. He also highlights the need for self-discipline and time management when working remotely, as the lack of a structured environment can lead to distractions and decreased productivity. He encourages individuals to establish routines and boundaries to maintain a healthy work-life balance. The podcast addresses the intersection of mental health and productivity, with Levels sharing his experiences with anxiety and burnout. He acknowledges that the pressures of entrepreneurship and remote work can take a toll on mental well-being. He emphasizes the importance of self-care and finding ways to recharge, whether through exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. He believes that maintaining mental health is crucial for sustaining productivity and creativity in the long run. He encourages others to prioritize their well-being and seek support when needed, recognizing that mental health is an integral part of overall success. Levels reflects on the broader impact of technology on society, particularly in the context of AI and automation. He discusses how advancements in technology can lead to both positive and negative outcomes, emphasizing the need for responsible development and implementation. He believes that technology has the potential to improve lives and create new opportunities, but it also raises ethical considerations that must be addressed. He encourages individuals to engage in discussions about the implications of technology and advocate for its responsible use in society. The conversation highlights the spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation, with Levels emphasizing the importance of taking risks and embracing failure as part of the entrepreneurial journey. He believes that innovation often arises from a willingness to experiment and challenge the status quo. He encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to pursue their passions and explore new ideas, recognizing that the path to success is rarely linear. He also discusses the role of creativity in entrepreneurship, emphasizing the need to think outside the box and approach problems from different angles. The podcast explores the role of social media in shaping Levels' career and connecting him with a broader audience. He discusses how platforms like Twitter have allowed him to share his work, engage with others, and build a community around his projects. He emphasizes the importance of authenticity in social media interactions, encouraging individuals to be genuine and transparent in their online presence. He believes that social media can be a powerful tool for networking and collaboration, but it also requires careful management to avoid burnout and negativity. Levels shares his experiences with various programming languages and tools, highlighting the importance of choosing the right technology for each project. He discusses his preference for PHP, jQuery, and vanilla JavaScript, emphasizing the speed and efficiency of these tools for building web applications. He also reflects on his journey of learning new technologies, including AI and machine learning, and the challenges that come with adapting to rapidly changing landscapes. He encourages aspiring developers to focus on mastering the tools they are comfortable with while remaining open to exploring new options. The conversation underscores the significance of feedback and iteration in the development process. Levels shares how he actively seeks input from users and incorporates their suggestions into his projects. He emphasizes the value of testing ideas and prototypes early on to gauge interest and make necessary adjustments. He believes that embracing feedback is essential for creating successful products and fostering a sense of community among users. He encourages entrepreneurs to view feedback as an opportunity for growth and improvement rather than criticism.